Quick question to all the class. So how many of you guys text while you guys are driving? Or how many will use like a hand device on your navigation, or if you put your phone on the window? So I think all of us, I do it myself too. So this is Officer Clayton. He actually had pulled somebody over for like I think it was like a traffic ticket. So he was on the side of the road. This happened earlier in the year, in January this year. He actually got hit by another car who was using a phone. So he died, leaving his wife and his son. That's just one of many of the deaths that happened because of other drivers. So here are some statistics that happens when people are driving and texting or using a hands-free device, which is still distracting you from the road. According to the Department of Public Safety, 26% of all crashes in 2017 were involving a cell phone use. Or actually 9 people were killed every day because of distracting driving, whether it was cell phone use or something else going on, like eating or makeup or whatever the case is. More than 1,000 people are injured every day due to drivers that are distracted. In 2015, 42% of teens say or admitted that they were texting while they were driving. And did you know that 1.6 million people die because of cell phone use, according to the National Safety Council? So now that we have heard the dangers of texting while driving, let's see what's causing and affecting this. So now people are too focused on their phones. We are addicted to our phones. It's like if somebody texts you or calls you, you have to pick it up and nothing else matters. This affects anybody that is driving or anybody that's in the street. So hands-free. A lot of people think that hands-free is safer, but it's not. Just because you don't have your hands on a phone doesn't mean that it's safer, because your distraction is still not completely on the road or your surroundings. So, this is false. You're not using all your complete attention. This picture shows the one on the top, it's brain activity when you're not using a cell phone, so it has all your complete attention. But the minute that you decide to carry a conversation, your brain activity is reduced by 37%. A group of students did a research in Carnegie Mellon University, and this is what they found. So, since we have learned the problem and the cost, let's go over the solution. There's a few things that we can do to keep focus on the road. We can put our phones on silent. We can put our phones away so that you're not seeing your phone and makes you want to pick it up or grab it. So will you take the pledge? If you go to www.dmv.org, you can actually click on a button that will go over some suggestions, and it's saying that you're taking the pledge. You will not text and drive. So these are just some of the things that you can do. If you do decide to not text and drive, you will be free of tickets, you will save your life, and you will save the lives of others. So finally, I hope that you decide to do the right choice. Thank you for listening. Gabriela.